Did you know that online stock trading saw a 20% increase last year? Many individuals cashed in on the stock market boom, and you can do it too. And it's only going to grow in popularity in the coming years. So, if you're considering starting stock trading, now is the time. Welcome to Apehouse Crypto. In this guide, we'll show you everything you need to know about stock trading for beginners. But before we proceed, we want to advise that stock trading can be a high-risk investment, so please make sure to do your own research before making any decisions. Apehouse Crypto does not give any financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's start with a quick introduction to stock trading for beginners. In simple terms, stock trading is the buying and selling of shares of stock. A share is a small portion of ownership in a company. When you buy shares, you buy a tiny piece of that company. If the company does well, the stock price will go up, and you can sell your shares for a profit. If the company does poorly, the stock price will go down, and you might lose money. There are two main types of stock trading: buying or selling stocks, and day trading. When you buy stock, you're buying shares of a company that you believe will do well in the future. You're investing in that company, hoping the stock price will go up so you can sell your shares for a profit. On the other hand, when you sell stocks, you're selling shares of a company that you believe will do poorly in the future. You're betting against that company, and you hope that the stock price will go down so you can buy back your shares at a lower price. Day trading is a bit different. When you day trade, you're buying and selling shares within the same day. You're not investing in the company, you're just trying to make a quick profit from the stock price movements. Now that you know the basics, let's move on to stock trading for beginners. There are two main stock exchanges in the United States: the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the NASDAQ. The NYSE is the largest stock exchange in the world, and it's where most of the big companies are listed. To buy stock on the NYSE, you need to have a broker. A broker is someone who buys and sells stock on your behalf. The NASDAQ is the second largest stock exchange in the United States. It's where most of the tech companies are listed. To buy stock on the NASDAQ, you also need a broker. Now that you know about stock exchanges, let's move on to how stock trading works. When you buy stock, you're buying shares of a company. But you're not buying the entire company, you're just buying a tiny piece of it. The stock market is where people buy and sell shares of stock. When you buy stock, you're buying it from someone who's selling it. And when you sell the stock, you're selling it to someone who's buying it. The stock market is open during working times from Monday to Friday. That's when you can buy and sell stock. Now that you know the basics of stock trading, let's move on to how stock prices are determined. Stock prices are determined by supply and demand. If there are more buyers than sellers, the stock price goes up. If there are more sellers than buyers, the stock price goes down. Supply and demand are determined by a number of factors, including the earnings of the company, the economy, political events, and so on. Earnings are one of the most important factors that determine stock prices. If a company does well, its stock price will go up. And if a company does poorly, its stock price will go down. Now that you know how stock prices are determined, let's move on to how you can make money from stock trading. If you're looking to buy and sell stock as a registered trader with a stock exchange, you need to have a broker. A stockbroker is someone who buys and sells stock on your behalf. But if you're not looking to buy and sell stock as a registered trader, you can still trade stock online. Online stock trading platforms such as Robinhood and eToro allow you to buy and sell stock without a broker. Another way to make money from stock trading is through day trade. Day trading is when you buy and sell stock on the same day. You're not investing in the company, you're just trying to make a quick profit from the stock price movements. Now that you know about stock trading, let's move on to the benefits of stock trading. There are many benefits of stock trading, like you can make money from stock price movements without owning the stock, you can trade stock online without a broker, and you can day trade to make quick profits. Stock trading is a great way to make money, but it's not without risk. Before you start stock trading, it's essential to understand the risks. Stock trading is a risky investment, and you can lose all your money if you're not careful. So, it's important only to invest money that you can afford to lose. Now that you know about stock trading, its benefits, and its risks, let's move on to how you can start stock trading. If you're looking to start stock trading, the first thing you need to do is choose a stockbroker. A stockbroker is someone who buys and sells stock on your behalf. There are many stockbrokers to choose from, so it's best to compare a few before you decide which one to use. Once you've chosen a stockbroker, you need to open an account with them. After you've opened your account, we recommend you start with a live simulator on the software or application that will allow you to make trades with real-time market data but without putting any actual money at risk. This will help you get used to the stock trading platform and understand how stock trading works. Once you're comfortable with the stock trading platform, you can start making trades with real money. But remember, stock trading is a risky investment, so only invest money that you can afford to lose. You can start with any amount of money, but we advise you to start small, not more than $100. This will help you minimize your losses if things go wrong. It will take time and effort to learn to trade stocks successfully, but it's definitely worth it. Stock trading is a great way to make money and achieve financial freedom. You can do it part-time, and if you are getting better at it, you can even do it full-time. We are doing a series of detailed stock trading videos on Apehouse Crypto. So if you are interested in learning more about stock trading as a beginner, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.